If you want to use circle to search on POCO F7, all you have to do is press and hold the home button if you use 3 buttons for navigation, and if you use gestures for navigation, then you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar or handle that you have at the bottom of the screen. If you press and hold for like a second, then you will see this colorful screen or filter that is applied on the screen, and now you can start drawing a shape or even a circle, whatever, around a subject on the screen in order to search in Google for similar stuff, or try to get the explanation of the selected area. Besides that, what you can also do is you can simply tap on, for example, a subject in order to immediately select it, so you don't have to draw shapes in order to search for something. You can just simply tap on the screen as well. Besides that, circle to search has some additional features. You don't really use it only, or you can use for more than just searching by selecting an area on the screen. You can just simply use the microphone or even quickly activate the Google search by tapping on this bar or this microphone for voice searching. We have this music recognition feature as well, so if you press it, and if there is a song playing in the background, then the phone can start recognizing the song. It will try to recognize the song, or actually Google will try to recognize the song and then give you the artist and the title of that song in Google search, of course. And there is also the translation, so you can translate the current screen. So if you have something in a foreign language that you don't understand, you can use this translation option and you can easily translate to your language so that you understand what is written on the screen. And that's pretty much it. Of course, circle to search can be toggled. You can deactivate it on your phone by going to settings. Over here we can go to home screen, choose system navigation. If you have buttons, then in shortcuts we have press and hold home button, so we can set it to none if you don't want to use it. If you use gestures, then we have press and hold full screen indicator, which is of course this navigation bar. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.